I'm going to begin by making a little table of the distribution of the random variable that we care about. The random variable that I care about is the payment amount. So what I want to know is, well, what's the probability that the payment is equal to some value x for different possible values of x? The insurance company will pay $500 for every complete inch of water up to a payment limit of $1,500. So they'll pay me either 0 if I have less than 1 inch, 500 if I have 1 inch and less than 2 inches, and so on up to 1,500. What's the probability they pay me 0? Well, that's the probability that the amount of the flood is less than 1 inch. So that's going to be 1 minus e to the negative 1 inch divided by the mean. The mean is half an inch. And so in other words, it's going to be 1 minus e to the negative second. What's the probability that they'll pay me 500? Well, that requires that it floods at least 1 inch. That probability e to the negative second. We just worked that out. And it floods less than 2 inches. What's the probability of flooding more than 2 inches? It's e to the negative 2 inches divided by the mean of 1/2. Or in other words, e to the negative fourth. So I get e to the negative second minus e to the negative fourth. Likewise, my other probabilities are e to the negative fourth minus e to the negative sixth. And I have a probability of e to the negative sixth of having a payment of 1,500 because I had a flood of 3 or more inches. What does that mean for my final answer? It means that my expected payment, I'm just going to go through and add up all these possibilities. I get a payment of 0 times the probability of being 0. That doesn't show up here because the 0 goes away. I have a payment of 500 times the probability of a payment of 500, e to the negative second minus e to the negative fourth. I get a payment of 1,000 with the probability that the loss amount or the payment amount was equal to 1,000. And then finally I get a payment of 1,500 with probability e to the negative sixth. When I evaluate all of this, I end up getting that the total expected payment is 78.1. And so my answer is answer choice A.